The reason I decided to join BDO as a school leaver instead of going to university was because I was quite interested in taking the apprenticeship route, and I did a lot of research and found that I would be able to gain real life experience in the workplace, which I believe university wouldn't have allowed me to achieve. My parents immigrated from Albania. When I first told my parents that I would be doing an apprenticeship straight out of school instead of going to university, they were initially quite worried. They believed that the only way to have a successful career in a profession like accounting was to go to university. What my parents didn't realise was that BDO offer bespoke apprenticeship roles for school leavers in a variety of different streams. And this means that I can learn on the job with clients and look after those clients, as well as completing my professional exams all in a day's work. Working a full-time job and studying for professional exams is not easy at all, but BDO make this so much easier for us because they book in all of our studies and exams so that we don't have to. This means that we can focus on our day job and keep the two worlds separate. One of the things that surprised me the most about BDO since I've joined is how well-engaged partners are with our development as trainees. They are quite easily accessible in terms of advice, and they are keen to get us involved in all aspects of client work. At BDO, in terms of culture, not only are you encouraged to be yourself, but BDO encourages you to learn about other cultures and social causes, and there is a big push towards this, which is absolutely amazing. The advice that I would give to someone who is thinking about joining BDO as a trainee is do your research. There are so many opportunities available, and it's important to know which role will suit you best. For me, I started as a school leaver, and our very own managing partner, Paul Eagland, also did the same thing. He didn't go to university, and I think this sets an amazing example of what could be achieved. 2021 saw BDO have their largest trainee intake to date. This alone demonstrates the investment that BDO is willing to make in the future generation of accountants. So whether you're a school leaver or a graduate, there is a place for you here at BDO.